Yes, class. Today we will start from numerical number 9. Numerical number 9, very short type. Okay, you will open your accountancy's book in front of you. I will read numerical in our video, and you will see it in your accountancy's book. Okay, now I'm start to read it. You just see in your book. Very short type, numerical number 9. Okay, class. Yes, let's start. A, B are partner sharing profit and loss in 4 is to 3 is to 2. A retire and the new P&L ratio of B and C will be 2 is to 1. Find out gaining ratio of B and C. This numerical is based on gain ratio, calculation of gain ratio. Okay, there is two ratio are given, old ratio of ABC and new ratio of B and C. Okay, ABC's old ratio is 4 is to 3 is to 2 and new ratio of B and C is 2 is to 1. If old and new both are given, then we will find out gain ratio with formula of gain ratio. Formula is new ratio minus old ratio. Okay, gain ratio will be calculated for B and C only because A is retired, so gain will be for B and C. For B, old ratio minus new ratio, and for C, old ratio minus new ratio. First of all, we will calculate it for B. B is new ratio. Here is new ratio. B's new ratio is 2 upon 3 and old ratio is here 3 upon 9. So 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 9. After calculation, this is 3 upon 9. LCM 9. 6 minus 3, 3 upon 9. As like in case of C, new ratio of C is 1 upon 3 and old ratio is 2 upon 9. So 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon 9, after calculation 1 upon 9. Both denominator are cancelled. Then our final answer is new gain ratio of B and C is 3 is to 1. Okay, let's see it again. First of all, we will see there is two ratio, old and new. Old ratio of ABC and new ratio of only B and C because A is retired. Gain ratio formula is new ratio minus old ratio. First of all B and next for C. New ratio of B, here is new ratio 2 upon 3 and old ratio is here 3 upon 9. So 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 9 equal to 3 upon 9, final answer. In case of C, 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon 9, after calculation 1 upon 9, both denominator are cancelled. Then final answer is gain ratio of B is 3 is to 1. Basically, if only old ratio is given, then remaining ratio of remaining partners is treated as a like gain ratio. If new ratio is not given, so in case old ratio of remaining partner is treated as a like gain ratio. But if old and new both are given, just like in numerical, if old and new both are given, then we will calculate gain ratio by formula. Now, if both are given, old given and new given, in case of both ratio are given, we will put formula for calculation of gain ratio. But if there is only old ratio, there is no new ratio, in case remaining ratio of remaining partner will be treated as a gaining ratio. So you will remind it that in case of both ratio given, we will put a formula, otherwise old ratio of remaining partner will be treated as a gain ratio. Okay, now come to next numerical number 10, very short type. You will see in your book. AB, sorry. A and B are two partners sharing P&L in 3 is to 4 is to 1. A retired and he surrendered his share. He surrendered 2 upon 3rd of his share in favor of B and remaining in favor of C. Calculate new profit ratio and gaining ratio. Yes, in this numerical, old ratio is given and A retired. A surrendered his share in both of them, in B and C. He surrendered 2/3. in favor of B. Then balance 1/3. Total 1 in which 2/3 is given to B and then balance 1/3 is given to C. Here is mentioned that remaining is in favor of C. Remaining mean 1/3. 2/3 transfer to B and 1/3 transfer to C. Standard by A. Okay. Calculate new ratio and gain ratio of B and C after retirement of A. Now see how to be calculate. Here is our answer. This is, first of all, we will see that ABC's old ratio is 3:4:1. A retired and A surrendered his share in favor of B and C, 2/3 for B and 1/3 for C. So in this case, where old ratio is given, information about retiring partner is given, and retiring partner surrender his share to B and C. This all information is also given. So first of all, we will calculate B's gain and C's gain. In these type of numerical, first of all, we will calculate gain of remaining partner. Gain of remaining partner means we will divide A's share into B and C, and these partition of A's share is gain for B and C. If we will divide B's ratio, if we will divide B's share in, if we will divide A's share in B and C, then these are gain for B and C. First of all, B's gain. How to be calculate? 3/8. 3 mean A's share. 3 plus 4 plus 1 equal to 3/8. 3/8 into 2/3. 3/8 into 2/3 means 6/24 transfer to B. And 3/8 into 1/3. 3/8 into 1/3 in favor of C. So we divided A's share in two parts, in which 6/24 for B and 3/24 for C. Okay. So first of all, we will divide A's share in two parts, 6/24 B and 3/24 C. Okay. Now our next step is calculate new ratio of B and C. How to be calculate new ratio of B and C? B's old share, here is B's old share, 4/8. 3 plus 4 plus 1, 4/8. B's old share is 3/8 and he get 6/24 from A. Okay. 4/8 B's own share and he gets 6/24 from A. Then his total share is 4/8 plus 6/24. LCM 24. After calculation, this is 18/24. Same in case of C. C's own share, here is C's own share, 1/8 and he get 3/24 from A. So 1/8 plus 3/24. After calculation, 6/24. Denominator cancel. 24. 18 ratio 18:6. 18:6 mean 3:1 divided by 6 table. So 18:6 divided by 6, then it's 3:1. 3:1 is new ratio of B and C. So in these type of numerical, where you get old ratio of old partner and retiring partner surrendered his share in remaining partners. So first of all, we will divide. Retiring partner share in remaining partner. Our first step is, first of all, we will divide retiring partner share in favor of remaining partner, and after it, these gain will be added in their old share. Like B's old share is 4/8 here. 4/8. Okay, he gets 6/24 from A. So 4/8 plus 6/24. Same like in case of C. C's old share is 1/8 and he gets 3/24 from C. So 1/8 plus 3/24. After calculation, 18/24, 6/24, denominator cancel. 18:6 equal to 3:1. 3:1 is the new share of B and C. After that, we will calculate gain ratio, because asking gain ratio is new ratio minus old ratio. New ratio minus old ratio, gain for B and gain for C. So new ratio of B is calculated by us, 3:1, 3/4, and old is here 4/8. So 3/4 minus 4/8 after calculation 2/8. Same in case of C, new ratio is 1/4, old ratio is here 1/8. So 1/4 minus 1/8 equal to 1/8. 8 cancel, and BC's gain is 2:1. So in this numerical, this is a complete numerical based on new and gaining ratio. First of all, we will calculate new ratio, and after that gain ratio. For new ratio, we will follow two steps. First, we will calculate gain, and after that this gain will be added into their old profit sharing. Okay, and in gain ratio, if you have two ratio, old and new both, so we will put a formula for gain, new ratio minus old ratio, and gain is only for remaining partner because A is retired from firm, so gain will be for only B and C. Okay, these are our very short type numerical complete, and you will do all these short type and very short type numerical in your fair notebook. Okay, now next we will come to our short type numerical. Short type numerical number 1, I will read. Short type numerical are based on goodwill calculation. Okay, so let's discuss it first. How to be solved valuation of goodwill in at the time of admission. In second chapter number 2, we see that at the time of admission, new partner bring his goodwill in cash or not bring in cash. But in chapter number 3, at the time of retirement, the retiring partner will take share in goodwill because he's not comes, he's retired. At the time of retirement, the retiring partner will take share in goodwill. Okay, and this share is given to him by remaining partner. When we discuss the theory of chapter number 3, where in goodwill topic, we learn two entries. First entry is old goodwill account written off, and next entry is share of retiring partner given to him by remaining partner. ओके, दो एंट्रीज याद कीजिएगा, दो एंट्रीज बताई गई थी आपको. एक तो ये थी कि पुराने वाला गुडविल अकाउंट क्या करना है, रिटर्न ऑफ करना है अगर ओपन है तो. और सेकंड एंट्री बताई थी कि रिमेनिंग पार्टनर को रिटायरिंग पार्टनर क्या देंगे, गुडविल देंगे. इस चैप्टर में गुडविल की दो ही एंट्री है. ओके, फर्स्ट एंट्री इज ओल्ड गुडविल अकाउंट रिटर्न ऑफ, एंड सेकंड एंट्री इज share of retiring partner gives to him by remaining partner in gaining ratio. There is only two entry in this chapter for goodwill adjustment. One is return of goodwill, old goodwill account written off, and second is share of retiring partner gives to him by remaining partner in their gaining ratio. Okay, now start short type numerical number 4. Yes, I am reading. A, B and C are partner. Their P&L ratio is 2:3:4. C retire, and the goodwill of the firm valued at rupees 45,000. Goodwill appeared in books. Yes, goodwill appeared in books. 27,000 rupees. Past necessary journal entry at the time of retirement. Here is two value of goodwill. One is goodwill account appeared. If goodwill account is appeared, so first of all we will return off. Okay, and goodwill account, old goodwill account that is appeared in the books mean balance sheet. The old goodwill account first of all will be written off in all partners. All mean A, B and C. Okay, and after that we will give to C his share in goodwill of rupees 45,000. So first of all we will return off 27,000, and after that we will calculate C's share in our new goodwill, that is rupees 45,000. First of all we will return off old account if that is given in our numerical. Okay, so let's start. Very short type numerical number 4 here. Yes. First of all, we will return off our old goodwill account. That this is entries. All partners capital account DR to goodwill account, because goodwill is intangible assets. Opening balance is DR, so closing balance is CR, and this account will be written off in name of A, B, and C. All partners. Okay. So A's capital account DR, B's capital account CR, C's capital account DR to goodwill. Amount rupees 27,000. Okay, and this 27,000 will be divided into their old profit sharing ratio. This 23,000 is divided in their old profit sharing ratio. Okay, that is 2 is to 3 is to 4. So 27 divided into 2 is to 3 is to 4, then 6,000 transfer to A, 9,000 transfer to B, and 12,000 transfer to C. And journal entry is all partners capital account DR to goodwill, old goodwill account written off in their old profit sharing ratio. Our first work is complete. Now our next entry is we will give to see his share in goodwill. Journal entry is remaining partners capital account DR to retiring partners. So remaining partner are A and B. So A's capital account DR, B's capital account DR to C's capital account. Remaining DR to retiring. Remaining partner will give to goodwill. Okay, A's capital account DR, B's capital account DR to C. Amount goodwill credited in C's account in gaining ratio. Okay, how to be calculate these amount? We will talk about it. First of all, we know that remaining partner gives goodwill to C in gaining ratio. Then where is gaining ratio? In lack of information, we assume that remaining partners remaining ratio is gain ratio. In lack of any information, we assume that remaining partners remaining ratio is gain ratio. So in numerical, old ratio is 2 is to 3 is to 4. This is given. 2 is to 3 is to 4. A, B, and C. C is retired. So 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3 is gaining ratio of A and B. Okay. In lack of information, we assume that remaining partners remaining ratio is gain ratio. Okay, this is our gain ratio. Next, we will calculate C's share in total goodwill. We will calculate C's share in total goodwill. Our total goodwill is 45,000 as per numerical, and C's share is 4 upon 9. 2 is to 3 is to 4, 4 upon 9. So 45,000 into 4 upon 9 equal to 20,000. C's share in goodwill is rupees 20,000. Okay, and these 20,000 is given to him by A and B in their gaining ratio. So we will divide 20,000 into 2 is to 3. So 20,000 into 2 upon 5 and 20,000 to 3 upon 5, 8 and 12. So 8,000 will be given by A and 12,000 given by B to C. So journal entry is A's capital account DR, B's capital account DR to C, 8, 12 and 20. Okay. Now let's again, अब हिंदी में बताऊंगा और समझ नहीं आई, समझिएगा एक बार. सबसे पहले आपने क्या किया, पुराने वाला गुडविल अकाउंट क्या कर दिया, रिटर्न ऑफ कर दिया उनके पुराने रेशियो में. एंट्री बना दी ऑल पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डी आर टू गुडविल, और एज कैपिटल अकाउंट डी आर, बीज कैपिटल अकाउंट डी आर, सीज कैपिटल अकाउंट डी आर टू गुडविल. 27,000 को इनके ओल्ड रेशियो 2:3:4 में क्या कर दिया, रिटर्न ऑफ कर दिया. अगला काम क्या करना है, जाने वाले को गुडविल देनी है, और वो कौन देंगे, रिमेनिंग पार्टनर देंगे. तो जो दे रहा है उसके डेबिट, जो ले रहा है उसके क्रेडिट. एंट्री बना दी ए डी आर, बी डी आर टू सी. अब बात आती है अमाउंट कहाँ से आए. देखिए, जाने वाले को गुडविल मिलेगी गेनिंग रेशियो में. गेनिंग रेशियो, अब सवाल में तो कहीं गेनिंग रेशियो का नाम नहीं था, तो कुछ नहीं दिया होता ना, तो रिमेनिंग पार्टनर्स का रिमेनिंग रेशियो क्या बन जाता है, गेनिंग रेशियो बन जाता है. तो ए और बी का जो ओल्ड रेशियो था वो 2:3 था, तो वही क्या बन गया, उनका गेन रेशियो बन गया. ओके. अब सी का शेयर निकालते हैं. फर्म की टोटल गुडविल है 45,000, जिसमें सी का शेयर है 4/9, 2, 3, 4. तो 45 का 4/9 बनेगा 20,000. ये 20,000 उसे देंगे कौन, ए और बी. किस रेशियो में, इस गेन रेशियो में. तो 20,000 का 2/5 किया, 20,000 का 3/5 किया, तो 8,000 और 12,000. तो 8 और 12 कौन देगा, अब ए और बी देंगे, किसको, सी को देंगे. तो एंट्री क्या बना दी, ए डी आर, बी डी आर टू सी, 8, 12 एंड 20. ओके, दिस इज आवर न्यूमेरिकल नंबर 6. Now come to next numerical. Now numerical number next, numerical number 5. Okay, numerical number 5. Sorry. Numerical number 5 आप अपनी बुक में देखेंगे भाई. A, B and C are partner. Their profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. B retired from the firm and the value of goodwill is 21,000 at the retirement necessary general entry in the books of firm. Let's see, here is no old goodwill account is appeared. Just like in numerical number 4, there is a value of old goodwill account appeared in books rupees 27,000, but numerical number 5, there is no information regarding that goodwill account is also appeared in books. So we will not maintain journal entry for return of old goodwill because there is no old goodwill. We have only single amount of goodwill, that is new value of goodwill. Okay, so if there is no goodwill account is appeared, so no journal entry for return of. Only we will make journal entry for given goodwill to retiring partner. Okay, so only single journal entry will be passed. Entry is remaining partner's capital account DR to retiring partner's capital account. Remaining partner gives goodwill to retiring partner in gaining ratio. So A's capital account DR, C's capital account DR to B's capital account. How to be calculate amount? Let's see it. A's share in goodwill. Total goodwill given 21,000. C's share is 3/10. So 21,000 into 3/10 equal to 6,300. So 6,300 is B's goodwill, that is given by him. That is given by A and C. That is given by him to A and C. 63 is B's goodwill, and B will get this amount from A and C in gaining ratio. In lack of information, A and C's old ratio is gain ratio 5:2 as per numerical. 5:2 is gain ratio of A and C, that is his old ratio. 6,300 into 5/7, 6,300 into 2/7 equal to 4,500 and 1,800. So 14,500 given by A, 1,800 given by C to B. So 4,500, 1,800 and 6,300 in credit is transferred to B's capital account. Okay, again old goodwill account is not appeared, so only single journal entry is passed. Entry is remaining DR. A's capital account DR, B's capital account DR, C's capital account. A's DR, C DR to B. B is retired ना. अब B का शेयर क्या है? टोटल गुडविल है 21,000 एंड C का शेयर है B का शेयर है 3/10. तो 21,000 इंटू 3/10 इक्वल टू 6,300. और ये 6,300 उसे कौन देंगे? ए और सी. कौन से रेशियो में? गेनिंग रेशियो में. बट गेनिंग रेशियो नहीं है, ना ही कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन है, तो उनका ओल्ड रेशियो जो है ना 5:2 वही गेन बन गया. तो 6,300 इंटू 5/7, 6,300 इंटू 2/7, 4,500 और 1,800 क्या है? ए और सी देंगे किसको? बी को. तो 4,500 डेबिटेड टू ए and 1,800 debited to C and 6,300 credited to B's account. This is our numerical number 5. There is only single entry. Entry is goodwill credited in B's capital account, that is given by A and C. Okay, now next numerical is numerical number 6. Okay, come to next numerical number 6. Numerical number 6 is A, B, C are partner. Their profit sharing ratio is 1:3. B retired and the balance of B's capital account after all adjustment at rupees 1 lakh, and A and C agreed to pay him 1,30,000 in full settlement. Pass necessary journal entry for treatment of goodwill if the new profit sharing ratio inversion is to 3. So let's see, there is two ratio. Old ratio is 1:3, new is 1 and 3. If new and old both are given, then we will calculate gain ratio by formula. If old and new both are given, then we will calculate new ratio by गेन रेशियो बाय फार्मूला. अगर नया पुराना दोनों दिए हैं तो आपको गेन फार्मूले से क्या करना पड़ेगा? कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. in previous numerical, just like in numerical number 4 and numerical number 5, we assume that remaining partners remaining ratio is gain ratio. But if old and new both are given, then we will calculate gain by formula. It's not suppose that old ratio is gain ratio. Okay, we can assume it in case if we have only old ratio, but if old and new both are given, then we will calculate gain by formula. You just remind it, in case of new and old both are given, we will put formula for gain ratio. Otherwise, remaining partners remaining ratio is his gain ratio. Okay, so we will start our numerical. Yes, here this is. First of all, we will calculate B's goodwill amount. Okay, total payment to B is made by A and C 130 and the balance of C B's account is 1 lakh. B का बैलेंस बनता है 1 लाख, बट दे कितना रहे हैं 130, जिस पार्टनर का बैलेंस ही 1 लाख है उसे पेड कितना किया 130. बैलेंस इज 1 लाख एंड वी आर गिवन टू हिम 130, देन excess 30,000 is B's goodwill. Okay, this is a different kind of numerical for calculation of goodwill, retiring partner goodwill. We get two information that B's share, that B's balance is 1 lakh and we are paying to him 130, then balance 30,000 is B's goodwill. Okay, so now next we will calculate gain ratio. We will find out B's goodwill 30,000. Now we will find out gain ratio. Gain ratio, we have two information, old ratio and new ratio. Old of A, B, C 1, 2, 3, or new of A and C 1, 3. So we will calculate gain ratio by formula new ratio minus old ratio. Here new ratio minus old ratio. For A's new ratio is 1/4 and old ratio is 1/6. So 1/4 minus 1/6 equal to 2/24. In case of C, new ratio is 3/4, old is 3/6. 3/4 minus 3/6 equal to 6/24. 24 cancel. 2:3 or 2:6 or 1:3 equal to 1:3 is gaining ratio of A and C. So journal entry is remaining partner will pay. So entry is A's capital account DR, C's capital account DR to B's capital account. B's goodwill is 30,000 here. So 30,000 credited to B and these 30,000 in divided into A and C in their gaining ratio 1:3. So 30,000 into 1/4 and 30,000 into 3/4 and balance is 7,500 and 22,500. Okay, now see again, A का बैलेंस 1 लाख, दिए कितने 130, तो एक्सेस जो दिया ना 30,000 वो क्या एज्यूम कर लिया, गुडविल एज्यूम कर लिया. एंड दीज 30,000 इज पेड टू हिम बाय A and C in gaining ratio. For gaining ratio we get two type of ratio, new and old. So we will put a formula, new ratio minus old ratio and new ratio minus old ratio. Then gaining is 2:6 equal to 1:3 and journal entry is A's capital account DR, C's capital account DR to B's capital account. So A's capital account DR with 7,500. How to be calculate? 30,000 into 1/4 and 30,000 into 3/4. These 30,000 divided into gain ratio. So ADR, CDR and B. Okay, you will do this all numerical in your notebook, and if you have any query, just like some of students say that the picture quality of video is little bit blur. So if the video comes to blur, then you increase its picture quality. There is an option for picture quality. Okay, bye class, thank you.